beautiful angels, and welcome to my disinfecting cleaning daily routine. During these tough times, I just would like to share with you what I'm doing in a daily basis, actually what I started doing in a daily basis. And I would like to give you some inspiration and motivation, and I really think that now is the time when we have to support each other, when we have to share with each other our experience, to talk to each other a little bit more than usual. So I really hope that this video is gonna be useful for you. It may sound strange to some of you, but cleaning is helping me to empty my mind and actually to refresh my mind after a difficult day. I just want to try to improve your mood by having a lovely, fresh home and by sharing with you some fresh cleaning ideas. Clean house for me equals clear mind. I wanted to create this video for you to give you some motivation and inspiration from the bottom of my heart during this hard for all of us time. I just simply would like to make your days more positive and happier. You can set any motivational music on YouTube or wherever you want, or to listen to an audiobook while you're cleaning. I found some nice, relaxing, calming music for this video, so I would like to leave you just with the music and with me and my little boy who is always around me when I'm cleaning. It's a good idea as well to involve the kids in the cleaning process, actually not to give them the hardest work in the house, of course, but if it's possible, just to teach them how to protect themselves, how to protect us as a family as well, and how to take care of their health. And I want to say a huge thank you for all your kind comments and messages that you are sending me, the way that you are supporting me. Maybe, I don't want my voice to sound like this, but maybe you have no idea how much this means for me, how much you are supporting me by giving me a chance to have an additional work from home, especially nowadays. A huge hug for you all over the world. And yeah, you could always leave me a comment down below. We could always support each other in this YouTube community, and I just would like to wish you all the best. Please stay home and stay safe, and let's jump into the cleaning. past couple of days I'm mainly using the Flora because it is a strong disinfectant, and I really believe it's the truth because it says that it kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, germs, and I really hope that it cleans viruses as well. When you finish with all the cleaning at home, please don't forget to wash the sink as well, because it's really important. And because I got lots of cleaning detergents, maybe I went a little bit crazy in the past couple of months. So now to clean the sink, I found in a cupboard sieve disinfecting, like sink and bathroom spray, I think it is. And I'm gonna use, yes, antibacterial one, ultra fast. And I'm gonna use it to clean. It got a little bit of stronger scent that I would like it to be. To wash my hands now, I'm gonna use this Astonish Clean and Protect Antibacterial Liquid Hand Soap. I know that bacteria are not viruses, but I really hope that it is giving me a good antiviral protection as well. And what I love to do at the end of the day, when we all are at home, the entire family, I'm keeping this last pack of antibacterial hand wipes. No, they're actually not hand wipes, they're surface wipes. So I would like to give a good deep clean to all the car keys, home keys, like our wallets. I clean my husband's phone as well. I have been cleaning mine previously when I came back from work, my husband's watch, and actually basically whatever you have been touching through the day, just give it a good clean. I know now it's crazy to find even the antibacterial cleansing wipes around the shops, but I really hope that one day they will restock them back again. Something else that I love to do on a daily basis is to change the kitchen towels. I used to keep two of them. One is a hand towel and the other one I use for the dishes. And doesn't matter that, of course, being used just one day, they are not dirty, but I just would like to be 1000% sure that they are clean enough. Now moving to the upstairs toilet, I use this Method cleansing antibacterial spray. This is one of my favorite. It smells amazing. And the other one that I've have been almost forgotten about it, and I found it deep in my cupboard, is this antibacterial Astonish surface cleaner, I think it was. And yeah, maybe it's not necessary to use so many detergents, but anyway, I got them at home, so yeah, why not give them just a chance to clean as deep, as much as possible. And this is gonna be the end of my cleaning, disinfecting daily routine. I really hope that this video was like, I don't know, inspirational and motivational for you. I would like to share with you my daily experience. The only thing that I would like to wish you is just stay home, stay safe. Let's keep in touch with each other. Let's share whatever you want. Here, my YouTube space is open for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bless you and speak to you soon.